What I do, it should be so boy Heavy Crypto. You already know what I do on this channel. We always find ways to make money with Bitcoin and Satoshi Nakamoto himself and anything related to cryptocurrency. So today I want to show you how exactly I've been making a lot of money with the VALR crypto exchange, and I'm gonna show you my strategies and pretty much anything that you need to know so that you guys can also make money and all that stuff. I mean, this is the whole point of this channel, right? If we're not making money out of this channel, then we're probably doing something wrong. The whole point of this channel is for us to make a lot of money and stuff like that. So there are, multiple ways that we can make money with VALR crypto exchange. This is actually like a local exchange, but it's really popular right here in South Africa. Almost everyone right now is using VALR crypto exchange, so you have to take advantage of this as well. So I've been making a lot of money with spot trading and staking. I don't want to talk about futures trading right now in this video, because if you want to use futures trading, I recommend that you try out Bybit. Bybit is special and mainly for futures trading, and is really worth it to trade futures trading on Bybit and other crypto exchanges like Bitgate and the rest, right? But you cannot trade futures trading on VALR. The thing is, it doesn't have liquidity and all that stuff, so the price is choppy. The candlesticks can actually liquidate you for no reason. That's just my own opinion. But let's talk about how exactly we're going to make money with VALR crypto exchange. So as you can see, I've got like 1K right here. This is my account on VALR. So I just created this account just for the sake of this video, but this is what you're gonna do, right? So this is the game plan for this bull run. You need to stake some coins on VALR crypto exchange, like a local crypto exchange, or you can stake your coins on other platforms like Binance. Is also really good when it comes to staking and stuff like that. So you're gonna have to divide like 50% of your portfolio and then stake 50% of your coins on an exchange like VALR or Binance, and also decentralized platform, and then you take 50% and trade with it, right? This is the game plan for this bull run. You can see everything is going up, and you don't want to risk the whole portfolio and stuff like that. You need to have at least 50% sitting somewhere else, and make sure that is also generating income on top of the capital. So right now I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do this on VALR, but we're gonna make another video showing you how exactly you can stake your coins with liquidity pools and stuff like that. So right here on VALR, all you have to do is to go to where it's written staking, and it says staking is the simplest way to passively earn rewards at a competitive APR. APR means annual percentage rate. So right here they do all the jobs and then handle your account. It says staking rewards are paid out regularly into your spot wallet. So basically you already know that once you create a VALR account, you automatically have a wallet right there. So you can unstake anytime and get access to your funds immediately upon unstaking time. So you don't have to worry about anything. You can stake anytime, whenever you want to. So I'm gonna show you my game plan of how I've been making money with spot trading as well in this video, but I just wanna get through this staking stuff for now. So you can see that right here we have Solana and Avalanche. And to be honest, right now, these are really good coins that you should be accumulating right now. And these coins can make you approximately like 10 to 15x during this bull run. You have seen how Solana has been pumping over past few days. This is the Solana chart, and this is daily candlesticks. If you measure from the bottom to the top, you can see that Solana has gone up to by 33%. You can see this is crazy, guys, to be honest. So these are actually good coins that you have to be accumulating, and you have to stake them on VALR crypto exchange so that you can also make certain percentage on top of those coins. We have got another coin called Avalanche right here. Avax is also really good coin, to be honest, and I'm seeing Avax going to the moon right here in this year. You know what I mean? So if we measure here from the bottom to the top, you can see that Avalanche has also gone up by 36%. So let's use like weekly time frame. You'd notice that we still have a space to the upside. All right, we still have a potential to the upside. You know what I mean? Because the all-time high of Avalanche is all the way at the price of 146 USD. So you're talking about another 345% to the upside. But if you check Solana right now, you'd see that you also have some potential to the upside, right? So let's say if you buy it right now, you're looking at approximately 148%. So you can buy Solana and then stake it right here on VALR, just for a long term, and you're gonna stake it when you hit your price target. You know what I mean? So this is just like a game plan that I just wanted to put it out here so that you guys can also take advantage of these APRs as well. But the main point is you have to do spot trading instead of futures trading. Why am I saying this? For you to do futures trading, you have to know technical analysis. There's a lot of things that you need to know. You cannot just jump into the market because we're in a bull run and then you think that you're gonna make money. It just doesn't work like that. There's a lot of indicators, charts, and stuff like that you need to learn. And I've been streaming about all this stuff on this channel, and I made a lot of videos about technical analysis and stuff like that. So you're just gonna have to check out on this channel. But with VALR Crypto Exchange, I make a lot of money with spot trading. So basically with spot trading, you're simply buying low and selling high, all these cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. This is also why VALR Crypto Exchange is way better than Luno right now. If you want to trade these coins on local exchange, I recommend you to use VALR instead of Luno, because Luno doesn't have a lot of coins, right? But with VALR, it exposes you to a lot of coins to take advantage. So guys, I've been trading Bitcoin because I think it's way better, and is not too risky compared to all the cryptocurrencies. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to click this button where it's written Pro Trading and go to Spot Trading, right? If you click right here, it's gonna take you to Futures Dashboard, and you can see that they only have like 3 pairs right here, which is Bitcoin to South African Rand and Bitcoin to USD and USDT to South African Rand. But for you, you're gonna have to click this Spot Trading tab and go to where it's written BTC to South African Rand. Okay, so right here we're dealing with South African Rand because we want to accumulate more rands. We don't want to accumulate more USDT. And just keep watching this video. It's gonna make sense at the end of this video, because I'll show you my strategy and my plan and how I make a lot of money trading, spot trading on VALR Crypto Exchange. So as you can see, this is Bitcoin price and it's kind of going down right now. So what I do is I go to a platform called TradingView. If you don't know what TradingView is, I'll leave a link in the description below. So we want to take a look at daily time frame, and we want to use Bitcoin to South African Rand pair. So we're gonna have to click BTC to ZAR. Okay, so here's a pair, as you can see. So this is Bitcoin to South African Rand. All right, so we are looking at the price of Bitcoin in South African Rand. So as you can see, I use heavy crypto indicator to give me these buy and sell signals and stuff like that. And this daily time frame, as you can see, is really working perfect, exactly as said. So if you want to use these tools as well, the link is going to be in the description below. These are my personal tools that I use to trade both futures trading and spot trading, and they really help me a lot when it comes to trading. So what I do is I buy when it says buy like this, right? So I go to VALR Crypto Exchange and then buy cryptos, right? Because this indicator tells me when it's good time to buy. So basically when buy signal comes, like what happened right here, I buy and then the price will go up. So you can see that on the 24th of January, I got this signal, buying signal right here, and the price went up approximately like 20%. And I made a lot of money with this as well, because I was using futures for this trade. But in your case, you're gonna have to do this with spot trading. And when it's time to sell, it means that it's time to sell and take profit and wait for another buying signal. And this is how exactly I've been making a lot of money with spot trading on VALR. And you can do you can do this with all these pairs, right? We have Ethereum, we have Solana, USDC, and all that stuff, including XRP itself. So all you have to do is to buy when the price is low, and when you get a signal right here, buying signal on heavy crypto indicator, then you're gonna sell at higher price when you get a selling signal right here on heavy crypto indicator. So the heavy crypto indicator does not only come with buy and sell signal indicator only, it comes with a bundle, so you're still gonna have 3 more indicators that you're gonna use on your charts and stuff like that. And we have tutorials and everything once you get the indicator. So guys, I just wanted to point out this so that you guys can also take advantage of staking while making money on top of your coins, and also take advantage of this spot trading on VALR, so that you guys can also take advantage of this buying low and selling high deal. You know what I mean? So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Don't forget to join our Telegram group. The link is going to be in the description below. And if you want to reach out to me, my contacts and my Telegram and everything is going to be in the description below. So this is it. My name is Arthur. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys.